Welcome back to our channel. Today I am sharing our trip to Statue of Liberty in New Jersey. It was a warm afternoon when we went and we were so excited. We arrived slightly past 2 p.m. for our scheduled ferry ride and were greeted by the stunning Manhattan skyline. The parking lot and the Liberty State Park is quite a big place. Uh, it was quite far from the security checkpoint, so we had to walk a lot to get to the security checkpoint, where we finished the usual standard protocols of the security checks, and then we headed to board the cruise ship. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to United States in 1886? We boarded the ferry at around 2:45 p.m. and by 3:15 p.m. we had reached Liberty Island. As we waited to board the ferry, we saw thrilling boat races on the river, helicopters soaring above and small planes in the sky. The tall buildings of the city made it feel like a start of an amazing adventure. Since it's a fall weekend and the weather was unusually warm for mid fall, we could see very less people on the shore. Otherwise, in summer, there are often long queues. The weather was pleasant and the waves were refreshing. We boarded the ship around 2:45 p.m. and straight we headed to the Ellis Island. Ellis Island once served as nation's busiest immigrant inspection station. Unfortunately, time constraints forced us to skip visiting this place. While departing from Ellis Island, we could see there is a cruise ship docked on the shore. This one is a little bigger one, and it appears that it came from Battery Park. Usually, the crowd which comes from New York City are more in number, so the ship size is also a little bigger. These are the first glimpses of Liberty Lady. The cruise ship is nearing the island. The Liberty statue is very majestic and it's very beautiful to view from the cruise ship up close. You will really enjoy the viewpoint from here because it's as close as we can get from the cruise. We were very excited to uh, land on the island. Our visit started on a positive note as we grabbed our audio tour devices. These devices are very interesting as they are available in several other languages. We just have to go to a point about which we want to learn, and we have to enter the code which is written on that point. Like example, when we reach the flag post, there is a code of 100. We just have to enter 100 and press play, and it will give the history and background of that particular point. It's really an interesting tour. It's close to 40 minutes to learn about the entire Liberty Island. Our kids were really very hungry, so we headed to the refreshment area before looking at the statue. However, the refreshment area was jam packed with long queue. Eventually, we got our food, but the seating area wasn't very convenient due to the pesky birds ready to snatch food right from our tables. We waited to board the return cruise. On the return cruise, we were treated to the sight of other cruise ships passing by, the Battery Park terminal where the Staten Island ferry stops. There is also another bridge, the Verrazano Bridge, which was once the world's longest suspension bridge. This is the cruise ship boating point is from Bayonne. It's convenient for people living in New Jersey and New York to board cruise ships from here instead of traveling to Florida or other places. Here is the Verrazano Bridge. It's so nice to look at it. After concluding our trip, we visited the 9/11 Memorial on the New Jersey side. In conclusion, to make the most of your visit, be sure to account for time, keep the kids fed, and be prepared for some unexpected surprises along the way. It's all about the journey and not just the destination. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.